How to fix YouTube black screen issue. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and today I'll show you how to fix YouTube black screen issue. So without further ado, let's begin. First of all, restart your device. Hold power button on your device and then swipe towards restart. After that, you need to completely refresh or restart the YouTube application. Simply, you need to close and reopen YouTube application completely. Once you have done that, your issue might be fixed. If not, proceed towards the next step. You need to ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. If your Wi-Fi is not working well, you need to switch between mobile data or restart your router. Now you need to clear cache and cookies of YouTube. For that, you need to long press on YouTube app and tap on eye icon. After that, you need to tap Storage Uses and tap on Clear Cache. You may even check YouTube server status, visit websites like Down Detector to see if the YouTube is down globally. If this is the issue, then it will be fixed within a minute or by 10 minutes or 20 minutes. So if this stage didn't work, you can try reaching out to YouTube support or your device manufacturer. Hope this helps. Let me know if you'd like any specific instructions or troubleshooting steps. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.